Have you noticed a dip in your bottom line? Is your business unable to retain or attract top talent? Are the wrong people in leadership roles? Is your workforce suffering and unproductive? Hi, I'm Tiana Sanchez, the founder and CEO of TSI, and we can help train leaders to become more effective and retool your workforce to be more proficient. We have the solution to poor leadership, negative team dynamics, bad company culture, and communication inefficiencies. At TSI, we believe your issues can be resolved with the right assessment, executive coaching, talent management, workplace surveys, and our secret sauce, our Propeller 360. It's a framework designed to dig deep into the 10 vital success pillars to help foster more competent, confident, caring, and collaborative work environments. First, we focus on assessing your unique set of circumstances through each of the 10 pillars. Next, we diagnose and examine the root of the problem causing your team's or organization's pain. And finally, together we tailor a solution to meet your needs and fix any workplace dysfunction so that your team can start performing at their best and carry out the vision effectively. If you'd like to see dramatic changes in your business, we invite you to take our Propeller assessment and get your personalized success plan today. It takes less than 10 minutes and will give us the information we need to create a custom success plan tailored to meet all of your needs. Click on the link below to get started now.